Some professions exist to make life easier, but there are those rare professions that protect and even save life itself. Nursing is one of them. It is a quiet yet irreplaceable calling, present wherever people need care, safety, and hope. Nursing is not just a uniform, a procedure, or a protocol. It's a steady hand in a moment of uncertainty, a calm word when pain becomes overwhelming, a smile that restores confidence. It's a profession that grows in meaning every single day. At Western Balkans University, this journey of professional formation begins from the very first year. Here, nursing is not learned only from books. It's taught in laboratories, through hands-on practice, and step-by-step preparation for the realities of healthcare. From classroom to clinical practice, every experience builds trust, skills, and responsibility. Because true professionals are shaped by living the profession. Over 3 years, you will gain strong scientific knowledge and practical skills to prepare you for the real challenges of nursing. You will learn to assess patient conditions, collect and analyse clinical data, design care plans, and make responsible decisions. You will master communications with patients and their families, with ethics, clarity, and empathy. Because in nursing, professionalism is measured not only by what you know, but by how you touch another person's life. The Bachelor in Nursing at WBU is offered in both Albanian and English, giving every student the freedom to choose the path that best fits their academic and professional ambitions. It's a gateway to a broader career perspective and a secure future. For parents, this program is a guarantee of their child's future, a valuable investment in a profession that is in high demand and is deeply meaningful. Because healthcare knows no borders. Through partnerships with leading healthcare institutions, students gain clinical practice in real environments alongside professionals in the field. They witness firsthand how the healthcare system works, how relationships with patients are built, and how responsibility is carried in real situations. Every practice is a step closer to the profession. Every experience a step closer to the future. After graduation, the opportunities are vast. Public hospitals and private hospitals, specialised clinics, rehabilitation centres, elderly care and paediatric care, community health, telehealth, in Albania, across Europe and beyond. Because the world needs nurses who are skilled, dedicated and prepared for the challenges of modern healthcare. And perhaps one day, in a hospital room, in a clinic, or beside a patient waiting for hope, your hand will bring reassurance, your voice will bring calm, and your care will make the difference. Western Balkans University, the University of Endless Opportunities.